Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what makes someone desire you intensely, almost as if they can't resist your charm? Today, we're diving into a powerful little secret that can ignite that spark and make someone want you badly right now. In this video, we'll explore psychological techniques that tap into the core of human attraction and connection. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's a complex interplay of emotions, behaviors, and subtle cues that can either draw someone closer or push them away. We'll discuss the art of mirroring, the power of vulnerability, and the importance of creating a sense of urgency. These techniques are not just tricks, they are rooted in psychological principles that can enhance your relationships and deepen your connections. Understanding these dynamics is crucial because attraction is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Whether you're looking to reignite the flame with a partner or catch the eye of someone new, knowing how to create that magnetic pull can change everything. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of attraction and learn how to make someone crave your presence, stick around. This journey into the psychology of desire is not just fascinating, it could be the key to transforming your love life. Let's get started. Attraction is a complex phenomenon influenced by various psychological factors that shape our desires and connections with others. At its core, attraction is not just about physical appearance. It encompasses a range of elements that can make someone feel drawn to another person. One of the most significant factors is the concept of similarity. People are often attracted to those who share similar interests, values, and backgrounds, as this creates a sense of familiarity and comfort. Confidence and self-esteem play crucial roles in attraction as well. When you exude confidence, it signals to others that you are secure in yourself, making you more appealing. This self-assuredness can create a magnetic pull, as people are naturally drawn to those who seem comfortable in their own skin. Conversely, low self-esteem can hinder attraction, as it may lead to insecurity and hesitation in social interactions. Another key element in attraction is emotional connection. Building a genuine bond with someone fosters intimacy and trust, which are essential for deepening desire. Emotional connections often arise from shared experiences, vulnerability, and open communication. When you allow someone to see your authentic self, it creates a space for them to connect with you on a deeper level. In summary, understanding the fundamental principles of attraction involves recognizing the interplay of psychological factors, the importance of confidence, and the power of emotional connection. These elements work together to create a compelling desire that can lead to meaningful relationships. Body language is a powerful tool that can significantly impact attraction and desire, often communicating more than words ever could. When it comes to signaling interest, certain body language cues can make all the difference. For instance, leaning slightly towards someone during a conversation indicates engagement and attraction. Similarly, mirroring their movements can create a sense of connection and rapport, making the other person feel more at ease. One of the most crucial aspects of body language is maintaining eye contact. When you lock eyes with someone, it creates a sense of intimacy and connection that can heighten attraction. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Too much eye contact can feel intense, while too little may come off as disinterest. Aim for a comfortable level of eye contact that conveys your genuine interest. Open posture is another vital component of body language. Keeping your arms uncrossed and your body facing the person you're interested in shows that you are approachable and receptive. This openness invites connection, can make you more desirable in their eyes. Subtle gestures can also enhance your desirability. A light touch on the arm during conversation can create a spark, while a warm smile can convey warmth and friendliness. These small yet impactful gestures can leave a lasting impression, making someone feel special and wanted. By harnessing the power of body language, you can significantly boost your attractiveness and deepen connections with others. Fostering a deeper emotional bond with someone is essential for building lasting relationships, and there are several techniques that can help you achieve this. One of the most important aspects is active listening. When you truly listen to someone, you show that you value their thoughts and feelings. This means not just hearing their words, but also paying attention to their tone and body language. By responding thoughtfully and asking follow-up questions, you demonstrate empathy, which can significantly enhance the emotional connection between you. Another effective technique is sharing personal stories. When you open up about your experiences, it creates a sense of intimacy and trust. Vulnerability can be a powerful tool. It allows the other person to see your authentic self, making them feel more comfortable sharing their own stories in return. This exchange of personal narratives can deepen your bond and create a shared understanding. Encouraging vulnerability is crucial in strengthening connections. It's important to create a safe space where both parties feel comfortable expressing their emotions and fears. When you share your insecurities or challenges, it invites the other person to do the same, fostering a deeper level of trust and intimacy. In summary, by practicing active listening, sharing personal stories, and embracing vulnerability, you can cultivate a profound emotional connection with someone. These techniques not only enhance attraction, but also lay the groundwork for a meaningful and lasting relationship. Compliments can be a powerful way to create desire and strengthen connections, but not all compliments are created equal. Understanding the difference between generic and specific compliments is crucial. Generic compliments like "you look nice" can feel insincere and may not leave a lasting impression. In contrast, specific compliments such as "that color really brings out your eyes" show that you've taken the time to notice details about the person. This specificity makes your compliment feel more genuine and meaningful. Authenticity is key when giving compliments. People can often sense when a compliment is forced or insincere, which can diminish its impact. To make your compliments resonate, focus on what you genuinely appreciate about the person. This could be their sense of humor, their intelligence, or even their kindness. When your compliments come from a place of sincerity, they are more likely to create a deeper connection. Here are a few examples of compliments that can spark attraction. "I love how passionate you are about your work. It's really inspiring." Or, "Your laughter is contagious. It always brightens my day." These types of compliments not only highlight specific traits, but also convey admiration and appreciation, which can enhance desire. In summary, by giving specific, authentic compliments, you can create a powerful impact that resonates with the other person, fostering attraction and connection in a meaningful way. Maintaining an air of mystery can significantly increase someone's desire for you, and this phenomenon is rooted in the psychological effects of curiosity. When we encounter someone who seems intriguing or enigmatic, our minds naturally want to learn more about them. This curiosity can create a magnetic pull, making the other person more invested in discovering who you are. The allure of the unknown often heightens attraction, as it keeps the excitement alive and encourages deeper engagement. One effective way to cultivate this sense of mystery is by revealing information about yourself gradually. Instead of sharing everything at once, consider offering small glimpses into your life, interests, and experiences. This could be as simple as mentioning a unique hobby or a fascinating travel story during a conversation. By doing so, you pique their interest and leave them wanting to know more, which can enhance their desire to connect with you. Additionally, embracing your unique qualities and quirks can contribute to your mysterious allure. Everyone has traits that make them stand out, whether it's an unusual talent, a quirky sense of humor, or an unconventional perspective on life. By confidently showcasing these aspects of yourself, you create an intriguing persona that invites curiosity. In summary, by harnessing the power of mystery through curiosity, gradual revelation, and embracing your uniqueness, you can significantly increase someone's desire for you, making your interactions more captivating and memorable. Now that we've explored various techniques to enhance attraction and connection, it's time to put these insights into action. I encourage you to practice the body language and emotional connection techniques we discussed. Start by being mindful of your posture, maintaining eye contact, and using open gestures in your interactions. These small adjustments can make a significant difference in how others perceive you and can foster a deeper connection. Remember, authenticity and confidence are key. When you approach someone with genuine interest and self-assurance, it creates a welcoming atmosphere that invites connection. Don't be afraid to show your true self. People are drawn to authenticity. Embrace your quirks and unique qualities, as they can set you apart and make you more relatable. As you experiment with compliments, aim for specificity and sincerity. Try out different compliments that resonate with the person you're engaging with and pay attention to their reactions. This will not only help you refine your approach, but also deepen your understanding of what makes them feel appreciated. Lastly, Don't shy away from maintaining an air of mystery. Gradually reveal information about yourself to keep the intrigue alive. This balance of openness and enigma can spark curiosity and desire, making your interactions more exciting. In summary, take these techniques and implement them in your daily interactions. With practice, you'll find that building attraction and connection becomes a natural and rewarding part of your social life. So go ahead, take action, and watch the magic unfold. As we wrap up our exploration of how to make someone want you badly, let's recap the key techniques we discussed. We started by understanding the fundamental principles of attraction, emphasizing the importance of body language and emotional connection. We learned how specific compliments can spark desire and how maintaining an air of mystery can keep someone intrigued. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in fostering deeper connections and enhancing attraction. Throughout this journey, we highlighted the importance of authenticity. Being genuine in your interactions not only builds trust but also makes you more relatable and appealing. Emotional connection is equally vital. By practicing active listening and sharing personal stories, you create a bond that can lead to lasting desire. Now, I encourage you to take these insights and implement them in your daily interactions. Remember, the journey to building attraction is ongoing, and with practice, you can refine your approach and see positive results. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on relationships and attraction. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these techniques. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.